Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Jasmine. I get a lot of questions about wigs all the time, and I figured it'd be a good video just to show y'all how to put a wig on. So this is how to put a wig on video. Stay tuned. So this hair is from DYHAIR777, and I have the 12-inch bob lace front wig. What is really nice about this lace front wig is that it has a lot of parting space. Peep the space back here. It go all the way back here. That's like 6 inches. So once you get your wig, I like to go in and customize mine because customizing is life. You want your wig to look like it's grown from your scalp. I think the key point that I want you guys to take from this video is the parting and how I open up this. That's what's giving the most natural appeal for this unit, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that.
Once you take your wig out of the package, this is what it looks like. It is a pre-plucked wig, and the good thing about this is that you have a lot of parting space. It's about 6 inches, and typically with a lace front wig you do not get that much parting space. You get about maybe 4 inches, maybe 2 inches on the side. So I was very excited about that. Take some water and mold down your part. So you're going to section where you want your part to lay, get a hard bristle brush and just brush it down so that it lays flat, because when you get the wig out of the bag, it's all over the place. So you really want to use this water to help shape and mold your wig so that it lays nice and flat. You don't have to drench it. It doesn't have to be soaking wet. Just enough so that you can maneuver the hair so that it lays nice and flat. Now, because this wig came pre-plucked, I am not plucking it. Because it's a bob, you don't really need to do all that because a bob lays very nice and sleek and it covers up most of my edges. But I do want a little bit of baby hairs so that the lace will transition good into my scalp. This is an optional method. Now, this is the key point I want you guys to take from this video. This is going to give you a natural look. Once you figure out where you want your part, take some tweezers and just open up the part. When y'all see all of these Instagram videos and tutorials and all this, people are, I'm telling you the secret here, they're plucking away at the part and making it look natural. So make sure you do that. Don't open it up super wide. Don't bust it wide open on them. Just natural. Okay? Now turn your wig inside out. Whatever foundation that you use on a daily, or if it matches your skin complexion, use it. This is going to give you that bleach knot look, because we are not bleaching the knots in this video, and you guys are going to see how beautiful this turns out. I like to do one thin coat, and you can take your favorite hairspray. Mine at the moment is the Chi Helmet Head. Spray a thin coat of that, let it dry, do another coat, and let it dry, and you're good to go. And the foundation I'm using is L'Oreal True Match. The number is N8, which is neutral 8. And because we're not using any glue, no gel, go ahead and sew you in an elastic band so that your wig will fit super snug. I do have a tutorial showing you how I do that. I will link it above so you can check that out. Look at that, you guys. We are almost finished. Totally up to you how you want to style your unit. I'm just silking mine out with my flat iron. You could put some curls in this. You could put some waves. It's totally up to you. I'm going to be finishing this up with my favorite spray right now, which is by Sexy Hair. It is the Rose Elixir. It's a really nice spray. I love it. It's light. It gives it a nice sheen, and it smells so good. Look at that body. Look at that body, baby. Hey.
Alright, so let's get started. So I'm taking a stocking cap. It is always good to have a stocking cap underneath your wigs, you guys. So we're just going to cut that. Just cut the lace. And when you get a lace wig, they typically all come the same way. You have lace in the back, and you also have lace around the hairline. So this is a lace front glueless wig. It has 3 combs in the front, as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I like to adjust my straps accordingly depending on how it feels. You can adjust them to make them more comfortable. It's like a bra strap almost. You can just adjust them so that your wig will fit you. I'm gonna show you how to apply it with the elastic, okay? So first you're going to do the elastic and then pull the wig back. Apply the elastic like this. and then pull the wig back. See the elastic? Pull the wig back. We're going to cut away lace.
You guys made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. This is it. Now it's totally up to you. Freestyle it. I'm taking just a edge brush with some hairspray on it. I'm not using any gel. I'm not using anything, no edge control, and I'm just pulling out the baby hairs and just getting a more natural finish. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if this was helpful for you. This is really how you put a wig on with a little added touch so your wig looks like a whole head of hair, I guess. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.